Hello and happy Easter, everybody. Today, there's only 7 games left to go, and Norwich are playing Leicester today. I can't obviously go there, but Sky are showing it, so I might show my reactions. So I'm hoping for a win. Leicester dropped out from top to third, and yeah, let's see what we can do today. Here we go then. Leicester versus Norwich. Norwich are kicking off. Dad's here. Happy Easter.
Come on, you yellows.
What's your prediction, Dad, by the way?
1-1.
I think it'll be a tricky game. I think about, maybe 2-1. Probably late on scoring the winning goal. So if we go, we're kicking off. Come on, you yellows. 9 minutes in, Norwich are making a sub because Sorensen has hurt himself, and replacing him is, who is it, Dad? Duffy. That's unfortunate. Norwich on attack. Sounds just straight to the keeper. Oh, well done. Gibson defended that. I think it's gone to a corner, but I think it's a handball. Norwich corner. Oh! It's in!
How?
Sarah scores! From a corner. Oh, that was amazing. That was just another corner.
Cheeky.
That was a very cheeky corner. This. Look at that. Sneaky. Another tack. You're going, Sergeant. Oh, it's another. Oh, signs. Oh, the keeper saved it. And now it's Leicester on the break. Leicester. Oh, well done. No. Leicester's got the ball still. Oh, thank God. Well defended. Duffy. Oh, no! No! Dewsbury Hall. 1-1. What do you think of that, Dad? That was a clever play from Leicester.
Unfortunately, the cross went right over.
Yeah. Duffy just got booked. That was a terrible tackle. Oh dear. No. Oh no! Well done, Gunn. Well done. We got lunch. We got egg, bacon, and sausage baps. Here we go then. Second half. Can Norwich come back and win? Come on, Norwich. They're making another. Oh, well saved, Gunn. Well saved. There's another corner from Leicester. And it went over everyone's heads. But they've still got the ball. Oh, there's a shove there. But Norwich just about cleared. No, oh no. Oh, thank God, they cleared it off. What a mistake at the back. Whew. Callum nearly made a fatal mistake there. Headed it straight to them, right in the box. Another attack, and another clearance. Just can't keep the ball for long here, but we got it now. It's been all Leicester for most of this half so far. Dewsbury Hall. No! God's sake! Oh, for God's sake. Afrodidi just scored. 2-1 to Leicester. Look at this. Oh, they made a mistake, the goalie. Norwich. Cross net. No. Stacey. Oh! Stacey. I think it was offside. No, it wasn't. It was just no. They're on their attack again. It's stuck just outside the box. No, they're going around the other side. Oh no! Oh, he's over. It's fine. It's Dewsbury Hall. Oh, and Norwich are on the break. Come on, come on! Come on! Come on, sir! Come on! Ah. Here comes Jamie Vardy then. He's replacing Daka. Uh-oh. Oh no! Wicks. Oh no! It's Vardy! It's Vardy. Jamie Vardy just scored. It's 3-1 Leicester. God's sake. Look at this. God's sake. Sloppy. Boom. Time. It finished Leicester 3, Norwich 1. Not a very good game for Norwich. We were second best for all of that, mostly. A good sneaky goal at the start, but Leicester just came back and they were just dominant. Yeah. Never mind. Hopefully we'll get a win against Ipswich, which are next. Leicester go top. Norwich finish 6th at the moment. Coventry will play later today, and they will narrow the gap to 1 point if they win today, which is bad for us. But there you go, that's football. So remember to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next video. Bye.